Johnny, if you're watching this one more time, he turned 8 today, right?
Turn 8.
Happy 8th
Johnny
birthday. Boy. This is your day. I hope you enjoy your day, man. I cannot wait till you come out here fishing with me. I'm going to put you on some big catfish, all right?
They want you to drop one.
Yep. Oh,
they want you to drop one.
I'm sure there's plenty dropped down here.
Right
Good morning, everybody. It is a Baltimore angler. Oh, man. All right.
Here I come, boys.
So I'm trying to stay happy and peppy for you all. You need me to grab that?
No, I'm gonna set it right here.
Okay. Trying to be happy and preppy, but I'm trying to fight not being irritated right now because got all the way down here. Got all the way down here, man. Woo! Woo! Got all the way down here, man, and doggone forgot the bait at home. Fresh bait too, man. I mean, it was like they just caught it the other day, man. It was super fresh. I had pre-cut and everything, but forgot the bait. So Jason said, hey man, we'll just catch bait on the way out to the spot. Speaking of which, you notice we're kind of moving right now. All right, we're not on land today, we're on a boat. Speaking of which, I got Jason down there. He's hooking up the motors. And who's that guy right there? Oh, man. Jason got his son Johnny out here. Yeah. And see, I told Johnny he better stretch out because we're going to hopefully hook into a fish bigger than him. All right? All right, y'all. So we're just prepping the boat right now. We're going to get out here at a spot that multiple people have caught multiple 50-plus pounders out here. So of course first we got to go catch some bait since I forgot it at home, but y'all stay tuned. All right, we're gonna head out here to the spot. All right, y'all, so we got some very fresh bait. I mean, super fresh. That's right, Johnny got a fish on the net. We're going after the big boys today, man. All right, so we're getting our minds right. We got enough bait. We're on our way to a spot that has been known to produce monsters. And I mean, there's multiple people go to the spot. And again, we're on a boat, so there's nothing holding us back. We're gonna try to get right over the hole. All right, so next time I see y'all, these two right here are gonna have a 60-plus pound fish, baby.
You know it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, y'all, let's do this. Got him.
Let's go.
Got him.
Let's go.
Got him.
Let Johnny check. No, hold on.
Oh,
Johnny.
He's big, bro.
Johnny, get the net ready.
He's
buddy.
big. Watch out. Oh, snap. I got to go this way. I don't want him to get
Johnny,
in that motor.
Get out the boat. Get in the water, boy.
He's big.
Come on, Johnny.
He's big.
Johnny, step into that water and help him get that fish. Get in the water, boy.
He's big.
Johnny, you got to get out of the boat. You got to get out of the boat if you're going to help him with the net.
It is a catfish. He's
nice,
big.
Son,
He's
nice.
big.
Johnny, get out of the boat. If you really want to hook him, you got to get out of the boat.
Oh, he's big, bro.
Yeah,
he might be 20 plus.
Oh, I bet he is. Johnny, get in that water, boy, and help him with that fish.
Johnny, stay right there right now because I don't want you to get caught up in that line. Oh, man, he was running.
This way a little bit. Oh. Good job, man.
Oh.
You threw right out front, too.
Oh, dude. Oh,
right
dude, he's big, bro. He's big. He's big. Oh, he's big.
Johnny,
watch out, Johnny.
Johnny, you got to come out this way. Come out and come all the way out this way towards me.
Oh, he's fighting. This is why I got that heavy gear, baby.
Take your time. Take your time.
Heavy gear, baby.
Johnny, come out of the boat, please.
He's not that, okay. He might not be that big.
Come out, come out, come out. All the way out. Let's go.
No, he's not that big. I don't think. Maybe teens, I'm guessing.
If you're over 10 pounds, we good. Johnny, walk over to the
Woo,
right.
Here he is.
Johnny,
you see him?
walk over to the right, this way. Yep. Now stand there and get ready. Walk into the water
See him?
a little bit. Oh,
See
that's
him?
good. Ooh.
Oh, dude.
Oh.
See him, Johnny?
Johnny, you gonna get him? Here, Johnny, come here. Let me help you out. Come here, kid.
Come on. Do it together.
They're probably a teen. He's probably teens, maybe low 20s.
Come on.
Oh, dang, on, dude, it's big.
Come on, Johnny.
Johnny!
Come on, Johnny.
Johnny!
Come on, you can.
He's like
Pull him
so
this way.
heavy.
He's on now, bro. He ain't going nowhere.
Johnny, pull him this way.
Hey, Johnny, just pull,
He's
just
too
pull
heavy.
him.
Just drag him up, Johnny. That's all you gotta do.
Star. Come on.
Ah, there you
Keep
go.
going.
Oh, God.
Oh, it's okay. I got him. Come on.
Woo! Woo!
Oh.
Man, not bad, bro. Not bad.
Nice.
Not bad.
Yeah, that's 20 pounds.
Oh, dude, he big.
25 pounds.
He big. And, oh, yo, I keep telling you about that head, man. Ah, all right, let's bust out the scale, see how much it weighs. Oh,
There we go.
snap.
Clear. 0-0. The official weight for the Baltimore Anglers' first catfish on this glorious day
The skunk out the bag.
is
What? 24.
24 and a half.
24.5.
24.5.
Why does he seem and look so much bigger?
See, it's shorter, but
Yeah.
it's fat. You see how big it is. That thing's
24. Woo.
feeding time. We got poles in the water. And as you can see, we're on a different side of everything, and because right here the water's super deep from shore and it is super clear, and there are no snags right
buddy, here
here.
we go.
You got one?
Yep.
Uh-oh. Jason! 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 Let's go, Jay!
Oh,
Ah!
dude, snap.
Are you serious?
Pretty sure, man. What's going on with that?
Bro, you need some new line on it. Uh-oh.
Oh, here we go.
Uh-oh.
Hello.
Oh.
Oh, of course I pick it up, it stops.
Hey, it's got to be a rock that does that. It's got to be a rock. It literally snaps it right off.
Bro, I think you might need some new line, man. I don't know what kind of line you got on there.
It's braided.
Well, I'm gonna tell you though, if that's Cast King, leave that stuff alone, man. That stuff
Really?
pops off, yeah.
Get you some, boy. Get you some.
As soon as I pick my pole up, it stops. We think, John, we in a honey hole?
You like this spot? Dude, it's crazy how fast this fish are making it.
All right, get that pole, yeah, get that pole back out there. Yeah, bro, I think that line is it's deep right here, bro. It's super deep. All right, now that's a lucky pole right there. That's a lucky pole right there. Oh, snap.
Get you some. Oh, yeah, let him go. Let him go.
Got him. Got him. Oh, Johnny, I think I broke my arm. Oh, did he come off? Oh, I think he came off.
No.
Jason, that's the one out in that hole. Hey, you see that slow movement? You see that slow movement? That's normally a bigger fish. They don't run fast. Uh-oh.
Your green line just dropped. Oh, double action. Oh, man. Let's go to work. Let's go to work. Come on, B.
Oh, dude. Got him. Got him. He's on.
Good job, yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, he's bigger. Oh, snap, Johnny. John. Ah, I broke my arm. Johnny, you have to get him. Come here. Come here, Johnny. Here, I'm going to get the net. My arm's broke. Ah. Get him, John. Get him, John.
Double action.
Keep your pole up. Keep the tip up. Keep the tip up.
Hey, I got a good way.
Dude.
Good one. A good solid
Is he on there?
He is.
Yeah.
All right. Keep that rod tip up, John. Keep that rod tip up. Keep that tip up. Keep that tip up. You still on there?
Hey, you said your arms broke.
It is. Here, let me see. Is he still on there?
Yeah.
Johnny, come over and get this.
Yeah, he's on there. He's on there. Come.
I'll get it.
Johnny, no. Keep reeling. You don't want to reel him in?
Yeah, let me get it.
Oh, dude, he's big.
Dude, this one feels decent.
He ain't moving.
Dude, he ain't moving. Uh-oh.
There's no head shakes.
No way.
There's no head shakes.
Johnny, bring that on over here.
Oh, he's big,
I'm gonna give
dude.
you a second to kind of bring him in.
He's big. Bro, he ain't moving. He's big.
Come over here on this boat. I want you to roll this fish. Come here, buddy.
Oh, here we go. There's a head shake.
Johnny, come over here. I want you on the boat. I want you to roll this fish. Put the net down. We don't use the net here. We don't use the net here.
Oh, man. Get him, Johnny. Get him, John. Woo! Oh, man.
Let's go, JB.
Tighten the drag just a little bit.
Let's go, JB. Don't give up, buddy.
Jason Famp got us on a honey hole, baby. Ah, yes, there we are. Fish number 1 in.
Keep going, Johnny. Come on.
Get him, Johnny. Get him, Johnny.
Johnny. Remember, roll down, roll up. Roll down.
All right, here's mine.
Woo, that's a good looking fish, Brandon.
Here's mine. He's not bad.
Where's that line over there, Johnny? You got him. He's almost there.
Oh, man. What's up, big girl? I'm going to say 10. He's over 10. He's double digits. All right. And fish heads, it is a truth, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, John. Come on, John. You got him, boy. You're doing good. You're doing very good, John. Come on, John. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Get him, John. Say, John done reeled him. He want to net him. He want to do it all. Get him, John. Woo! We are on a honey hole right now, ladies and gentlemen. We are on a honey hole right now. Let's get. You got him.
Yeah.
Good job, Johnny. Oh, okay. Yeah, this was a little big. This is about small to medium. Hey, pull the whole boat. Oh man, that's a nice one, man. All right, the line held. Jason done got us on a honey hole. We might have to change this from the Baltimore angler to the Jason angler, man, because he got us on a hole, man. So, ladies and gentlemen, just to give you all a backdrop. Ah, okay, Johnny got it, bruh.
This is so heavy.
Smile, kid.
Where you at? Oh my gosh, that is awesome, dude. Look at you! Look at you! Look at you, dude! Oh yeah, John, that's what I'm talking about, baby.
This is coming in the future where we take young youths.
Oh, dude, that'd be awesome, man.
That'd be
That'd
pretty
be
cool,
awesome,
right?
dude. Hey, John, what's your sister's name?
Alyssa.
Alyssa? Where's she at?
She's at Virginia dinner.
What?
At Virginia. She has a dinner at Virginia.
At dinner in Virginia. Why isn't she fishing with us?
Oh, she didn't want her mom to be with her.
What? Oh, well, I understand that. Alyssa! This is a Baltimore angler. We're on some action right now. And I got one question for you. Where are you at? You gotta get us some big fish.
Hey, Alyssa. Oh, Kurt.
Listen, we waiting on you. Action's hot right now. All right. Bam, who's that guy?
Love you, girl.
Oh yeah. Hold on, I don't think he's on there yet. I don't think he's on there. He's picking at it, but I don't think he's on there. Oh, okay, he's on there. He's on there. Oh, he's big.
Oh, man.
Oh, he's big. You want to get him, John?
Johnny gonna pull out that 60.
Or do you need
He
net?
gonna pull out that 60 for you, watch.
Or do you need the net?
He get him. That's gonna be a new personal best right there. All right, keep that rod tip up, John.
No net, Johnny.
Alright.
All right. All right, just reel. I'm gonna help you keep the tip up so he don't come off.
Wait,
Reel that bad
We
boy,
gotta-
What are
kid.
you supposed to?
That one right there. Reel forward.
Forward. Forward, up.
I'm trying to.
Roll it up. He ain't used to that one.
Yes.
Come on, kid.
Yeah, let me see real quick, Johnny. Let me see real quick, John. Hold on.
Man, if that's a big fish, you better land that.
Oh man, a drag.
I'm coming to reels acting up.
No. Oh, he's big.
Do you need the net if he's big?
Nah.
Johnny, stop asking about the net, man.
Whoa, he's big. John, here, help me with this, bro. This is your new personal best.
Yeah?
Oh, dude,
Johnny's new personal best.
This might be 20 plus right here.
Come on, Jay.
Watch that line right there. If you got to, put your line, go ahead.
Nah, we're good. I'll just hold it up.
Okay.
Johnny might want to walk over. Well, actually.
He's good. He's good right here. He's good right here. There you go.
Pull up.
There you go. You're getting it now. I'm going to help you keep that tip up. Drag. Don't tell me that reel's wearing out. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Okay, hold on a second. All right, go ahead and reel. Oh, it was open. That's why. Okay. Keep reeling, Johnny.
You better reel, boy.
Keep reeling, Johnny.
Come on, Johnny.
Come on, John. Come on, John. Reel. Faster, faster. There you go. Look at you, John. Look at him. Look at him. Go on, bro. When it gets down to the water, look at you. Go ahead, Johnny. You need some help?
Up. Pull him up. Pull him up. Pull up. There you go.
There you go. Keep that pressure on him. We got all day, bro. No rush. Here, when you reel, look, when you reel down to the water and then pull up. Pull up. There you go. Come on, John. There you go. Now reel down. Woo! Oh, yes! Yes! All right, reel down.
Try not to
Pull up. No, you're not losing him. He's on there, bro. He ain't going nowhere. That's heavy gear, bro. He's on the surface. Come on, Johnny. Come on, Johnny. Nice and easy. Relax, buddy. Relax. Nice and easy. There you go. All right, now reel down. There you go. Up. There you go. Woo! Let's go, Johnny. Oh, snap.
Oh!
You're going to have to get him, bro, because I'm stuck. Oh, here we go.
Right. Don't give up, Johnny. Come on, get that pole up in the air. Remember, pull him up.
Up.
To the strategy.
There you go. Keep that
strategy,
keep the pole bent. That's the thing. You all right? You got him here. He's almost here, John. He's almost here. You almost got him. Almost got him.
The faster you reel, the faster you get him in. Pull up.
Up. There you go. He's almost here. Pull up. There you go. Keep that tip up. You'll get it. Keep that tip up. Hey, Alyssa, this could be you.
Come on, Johnny's right here. Where is he? Show him to me.
Hey, tell your wife this could be her too. Yeah, you ain't safe. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Come on, John. Come on. There you go. Well, you got a beautiful hook set. Come on, John. Come on, John. Dude, he's nice. Nice. Almost here, Johnny. Come on. Keep going, Johnny. Keep going, Johnny.
Try to snap your line, Johnny. Keep going.
No, he ain't snapping that. That's 50, man. He ain't snapping that. If you got to, come on, walk closer to him. John! Oh, yeah. You almost there. Come on. Keep a tip up. Keep that tip up. Keep that tip up, John. Oh, yeah, it's going to be a new personal best for him. Keep that tip up, John. Keep that tip up. Come on, you're doing an awesome job, buddy. You're doing an awesome job, buddy. Look, he's almost here, John.
Johnny, he's coming. You see him?
Yeah.
Get him, kid.
Reel down.
Come on, kid.
Reel down. Come on. He's trying to dive on you. Look, he's fighting. Woo! All right, keep your tip up. Just walk backwards now, okay? Oh, man. Keep that tip up, Johnny.
Put the pole in the sky, kid. There you go.
There you go. Come on, John. Come on, Johnny. Oh, where you going? Get your butt over here. Hey! Hey! Job, buddy. That's what I'm talking about.
Good job, Johnny.
He got a new personal best right here.
Yes.
Job, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Here, let me see this real quick. Johnny did it all by himself. Hold it, man.
Oh, God.
Yeah, now here comes your pictures.
Okay.
Come on, man. Johnny with his new personal
Oh, come
best.
on.
Go ahead, boy.
Hold on, Johnny. I got a phone call. No, I'm playing. I'm messing with you.
Johnny, look.
Where you at, John? Look at this guy. Look at this guy right here, man. 12 pounds, 7 ounces. New personal best. That's what I'm talking about. All right, man. You know what we got to do now, right? We got to release him, right?
Yep.
All right, let's release him. Oh, oh, my gosh.
Oh, God, this guy's heavy.
Here, come here. We're going to go to the water.
Golly.
Johnny, good job, bro.
And Johnny, guess what, man? We get bigger fish, you getting them. We trying to get you 20 plus a day.
Bigger than that?
All right, Johnny, come here. We're gonna release him.
Can you kiss him again?
Huh?
Never mind, you don't have to.
Oh, you want to kiss him? Give him a kiss.
No, you.
What? It's your fish, man. Give him a kiss.
Release him.
There we go.
All right, I'll kiss the next one.
All right, give her a shove, man. All right. See you, fish.
See you, fish.
Give her a shove.
Wait, what?
Just push her.
Push her. Grab her and push her. Act like you mean it. Come on.
Just push her.
Take her and give her a little push, Johnny. Push her. Hard.
Push. Oh, there you go. Oh, go on there.
Yeah.
There you go. Wrong way, fish. Wrong way, fish. There you go. Johnny, awesome job. Jason,
Oh, he's on there now.
Jason, he's on there now. He's on there now.
All right, can you?
Whoa, whoa.
Shit, Brandon, this is
Hey,
it.
hey, loosen your drag, loosen your
I
drag.
did.
Okay,
It's still loose.
nice
I
and
haven't
easy,
tightened it yet.
nice and
Johnny,
easy.
back up.
This might be that one. This might be that one. Oh, dude. Yo, okay. This gonna be the, all right, nice and easy. I'm not gonna say it because I don't want to get you excited.
Oh, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, look at this.
Yo.
Oh,
Yo.
he's not moving.
Jason, I think you better get this one, bro.
He's not moving.
Oh my
he's not
gosh, dude.
moving. I gotta turn on
All
my
right,
GoPro.
he might not fit in that net, bro. Go put that net down, John.
Hey,
As a matter of fact,
hey,
I'm gonna reel this
literally,
in. You
I'm
have.
about to sound like you, bro. He's not moving.
He's not moving.
I'm dead serious. He's
Here,
not moving.
I'm a
Oh
real.
my God.
Here, I'm getting out your way, bro.
Oh my God. Bro, Johnny, wait till you see this one.
Johnny, this is gonna be the fish of the day.
Oh wow. I think
Here.
my GoPro's dead too.
That's all right, I'm
Bro,
recording
my
on
arm
mine.
is already
Hey,
burning.
you got a red? You got red? I got a red dot.
Oh, yeah, he's heavy. Johnny, chill, bro. I can't. Not let me carry, but not this one, man. Bro.
I need to put a backing on this, man.
Bro.
Nice and easy, Jason. Take your time, man. All right.
Goodness, man. Where's the music for this one? We gotta put some epic music.
Oh,
for this.
dude, this gonna be.
This is out of control.
Uh-oh. Yo,
But the thing is,
Jason.
he's not. I haven't felt him fighting except for in the
Dude,
very beginning.
that's because he's big as all get out. He's not
Oh,
moving.
oh.
No, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
He's fighting me now.
Nice and easy, bro.
Hold on.
Yeah, I'm getting this pole out your way, bro. I'm getting this pole out your way. Nice and easy, Jay. I'm gonna have to get over there. Nice and easy. Oh, dude, he's swimming this way. He's swimming this way. He's swimming this way. Nice and easy. Oh man, he's getting close to the shore now. Nice and he's trying to swim, dude. Dude, this might be a 50, bro.
Shit, bro.
Take your time.
Oh, he's running. Look at that.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy, Jason.
Come on, man. This is what we do right here.
Nice and easy, bro.
Johnny, get over here with this and watch this fish, man.
All right, let's get this out your way. Yo, I gotta put a backing on that.
Oh man.
Yo, if y'all in the comments, let me know how you do these pin reels, man, because he keeps spinning on the what you call it. Jay is in a monster right now.
Oh, dude. I don't know if he was tangled, but he's not as big as he initially was at first. I mean, he's big, but he's not. I thought he was going to be a 50 club.
Oh.
I thought I was in the 50 club, B, but I'm not.
Well, let's see here, man.
Nah, man, he had to be tangled or something.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, I see now.
Oh.
I see now.
Oh, dude.
See what I'm saying?
What the world? That looked like you had a beast on there, bro.
I'm telling you, I don't know what that was about.
You might have been tangled up. He got one over there, too.
Dude, he didn't move the first few minutes.
Yo.
Let's go, JB.
Good job, John. Good job, John.
Brandon, my bad, man.
No, you good, bro.
No, dude, this is heavy.
Here, come this way, buddy.
This is heavy.
Oh, man.
Do you see how
Oh,
heavy that is?
shoot.
Get out of here, boy. Get out of here, B.
This is heavy.
Walk him out. You
Oh.
got him.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Got him?
Yep.
Yep, he's on. Cool.
Yep.
Get him, John. Get him, John.
His hand up here. Give you more stability. Roll down. Remember,
Oh,
down.
shoot.
Roll down, come down.
Y'all didn't see that, okay? I forgot to flip my switch, man. All right. There we go. That's a lot better. Hey, see, Daddy?
Watch, look. Down, look at me. Look. Look at me. Watch, look at me. Pull up. Look at me. Roll down. Pull up. Watch me again. Look. Roll down. Pull up. You with me? Put it on your leg. Don't put it through the top of your leg. There you go.
Let's go, John.
Come on, good, dude. Pull up. You got it. You're bigger than that, bro. You're doing great.
That was quick.
You're real quick.
That was real quick. Doing good, John. Oh, there we go. Rocks. Now I can stand straight.
I need that there.
You don't need that net. Keep that tip up. Keep that tip up. Keep that tip up. I don't think he's as big as that one you got earlier. You fighting him a little easier. All right, I got this one out a lot farther now.
You can tell that it's all probably muddy and rocky.
Hey, man, ain't no snags, though. All these fish we catch, we haven't got one snag.
That's a good point.
Mm-hmm.
Johnny, get that pole up in the air, man. Pull it up. There you go. I don't want to see that pole that low no more. Roll down and pull it up immediately. Pull it up immediately.
Ah, yeah, little guy.
Go.
Little guy.
Let's
Doing
go,
good,
kid.
John.
Let's go, kid. Johnny, turn them up.
Oh, yeah.
Turn them up.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think I've officially lost count of the amount of fish we caught. It's just been non-stop action. We are on an absolute hole right now. The water, very short out, is very deep.
5 fishes.
Bro.
5 fishes.
Good job, John.
Fish is so good running at the bait.
Ah, yeah, well, yeah, we're seriously getting low on bait. We had to downsize a little bit. We're running out.
We getting 5.
Ah, Johnny, yes.
5 fishes.
Little guy.
Yeah, and 5 fishes.
See, you're in a perfect spot to throw him back now.
Dude, I feel like they like you real many times.
Mm-hmm.
The best thing, whenever my hands hurt, I just put them in the water.
Yup. Oh, Jason.
Another one.
Yeah, the other one right there is bouncing.
Break.
I'm loving this action, boy.
I was just thinking
There he goes.
Roll, dude.
Later,
Look at
bruh.
him.
Uh-oh. 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 Oh, he's on, bruh.
You hear that drag? dude?
Jason.
I ain't had a chance to clean my hands off. I might have lost them.
I was like,
Hold on, young man. I might have lost
Oh,
them.
you still-
No, he on there. He on there.
Go to work, kid.
Come on, John.
Johnny. With it,
Johnny tearing him up today, bro.
Come on, kid. Do like I taught you.
There you go. That's a lot better right there, John. Good job, buddy. Good job, John.
You got it figured out now, kid.
Ladies and gentlemen, I love these days. When I got the people with me, everybody's catching fish, I'm just chilling, bro. Again, y'all leave a comment on that pin reel I got right there, man. It keeps spinning. It's not actually spinning with the reel. So I think I need a backing, but leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think, all right? I don't want to say the reel's bad because, I mean, it is reeling, but I think I need to put some sort of backing on there since I'm messing with mono.
Don't forget the form.
So I got my other beef jerky stick out there now. 65-pound test. That is a Shakespeare ATS.
oh no.
He's almost there, John. Ladies and gentlemen, the Baltimore Angler is officially on break right now. I'm chilling. This is
That pole up. Pull them up. Pull them up. There you go. Now
this
reel
is an
them down.
epic day of fishing
Pull 'em
right
up.
now.
There you go.
There you go.
Reel them down.
Beautiful young
Look at this
fish.
kid, man.
Look at that guy.
Bro,
Man, that was nice,
catch
Johnny.
today.
I got 6.
Whoa. All right, bring them over here. I'll help you
That
out.
was
Good
nice.
job, boy. Bring them over here. Here, bring them
Hey, is that one out?
You don't want to do too tight. You don't want to do too
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I thought I was on break.
Uh-oh, let's get it.
I
Oh,
guess
here we
I'm
go.
not.
Here we go.
You know, he don't catch them but big fish.
I thought I was on break, y'all, but
Oh, big fish.
Come on.
I had dropped it.
Let's see this one.
You want him?
You sure?
All right, let's see when he hits.
If you need help.
No, you gonna get this one, bro. Hey, I'm on break. I'm on lunch break right now, bro.
Oh,
This
he's
here.
close. He's close.
Oh, did he drop it? I think he dropped it. All right, stand by. There's park police.
Day. 6 pieces of the day.
All right, I think he dropped it, y'all. So we're gonna leave this here.
6 fishes is like the best. Is like the best amount. Of the
Jason, you need to get some bait casters, bro. See?
We gotta tell you about
You
those.
see him? There he goes.
Johnny, the little ones are a little different, man.
Yeah. All right. Johnny, you make sure you tell all your buddies about this video because it's about to be an awesome video starring Johnny.
Johnny boy.
They're probably gonna say, "No way, you're lying."
All right, well,
You
hey,
ain't gonna believe him when he tells the story.
give me about a little less than 1 week, and hey, I'm gonna have fun with this video, bro.
I think
It's gonna be titled, "Yo, why aren't you fishing?"
Perfect.
Sitting on the couch.
Because on a day like today,
Yo, this bite is fire right now. Again, if it wasn't for all that down there,
dude, you know what? And you can talk about young men too. Like, get the kids out the house.
yeah.
Look at this guy. He
8 years old, man, and he's showing us up right now.
His sister gonna be on it next time. Watch.
Yeah.
She's gonna see it, and she's gonna be on it.
Yeah, listen, we waiting on you.
Go on, sis.
We gotta get you a bit. What's her personal best?
She's probably caught about a 7 to 10 pounder. Too.
Okay. We're gonna get her on a new personal best too.
Yes, Johnny
I'm
with a
losing my-
12 pounder, huh? Johnny with a 12 pound.
All right, I'm gonna give that one a couple more minutes. If it's nothing, that fish head might finally be gone. All right.